Aloha kakahiaka. Welcome back to school. Hau'oli pokahi. It is Monday, and we only have 3 more days of school this week. 3 days of school this week because we are off on Thursday and Friday for Thanksgiving weekend. So you have a really long break ahead, and I know you're also going to be working on your science projects this weekend. So speaking of science projects, this Wednesday, my friends, this Wednesday is an all-day advisory for our seventh grade Haumana. All-day advisory for seventh grade Haumana because you will be working on in your science fair workshop. All day you're going to be working on your science fair project. Our eighth graders did this last week and it was a success. It was hard, and we can do hard things, and it was a success. Eighth graders were able to spend a few hours focused on their testable question, researching it. Some of the eighth graders were in Miss Choi's room doing experiments and trials. To test out their testable question. It was wonderful. We had community people from Evalu Industries and different community partners who are also helping Haumana with their experiments and with their research projects. It was fantastic. And so a similar day will occur for all of our seventh graders this Wednesday. So don't be absent because it's a wonderful day for you to work with Kumu, your peers, on your science fair project. So remember, I had shared that some of you will be doing a live experiment, are doing a live experiment, right? And writing about it and researching. And some of you are not doing a live experiment, except you are researching what other researchers have found out about your testable question or other scientists. And you are drawing conclusions based on your research, right? So there's two types of research going on. No matter what research you're doing, you're expected to participate in our ho'ike of our science fair the week of December 15th. Yes, December 15th. Sixth graders, your science fair workshop all day advisory is going to be next week, Wednesday on December 3rd. It's December, y'all. Next week is December. Time is flying by. You guys are doing amazing work, great work. I know this is hard and we can do hard things, and hard things makes our brain grow stronger and our heart grow stronger, and makes us better human beings when we work together and we continue to work hard. So I'm very, very proud of all of you. There is a science fair video that I would like you all to watch, and I will send it with this calendar invite, Kumu. So I'm hoping you can share this with your Hamana. It is a high schooler talking about her eighth grade experience in the science fair and how important the science fair is, science research, the steps of the science fair project, how important it is to our world. Because you, my friends, are change makers. You have a huge kuleana to each other, to our world, to make it a better place. And the Science Fair Project is one really powerful way to do this. All right. Tomorrow, Tuesday, our Hamana Alakai, Kumu Barker, Kumu Gaspar will be hosting for all of you Makahiki Games during wiki and lunch. So we are celebrating, my friends. We're celebrating this week. It's a short week. We're working hard and we're celebrating Makahiki Games Tuesday on F-Lawn during wiki and lunch. So do not miss out on that. And then on Wednesday, we are also in celebration mode for all of you Hamana who've earned a 3.5 GPA in quarter one. You are on honor roll. You've made honor roll. So congratulations for working so hard and getting mostly A's and a couple of B's. That's pretty much what the 3.5 GPA is. And so if you're not sure how to calculate that, you can ask your Kumu how to calculate it. But what you do is for every A you receive, you get 4 points. For every B, 3 points. C, 2, D, 1, and I'm sure none of you have Fs, but an F would be a 0. You add that all up and then you get the average of it. And the average is your GPA. Yes. So you have 3 more quarters to earn honor roll, my friends, if you have not done it in quarter one. There's still lots of time left. So ice cream party on Wednesday during lunchtime for all of you who've earned a 3.5 GPA and are on honor roll for quarter one. You will be receiving your honor roll certificates in your advisory classes either on Tuesday morning or Wednesday morning, and a ticket to come and pick up your ice cream for your ice cream party on F-Lawn on Wednesday. I'm very, very proud of all of you. Congratulations. Good work. Ko'omai ka'i. And also, if you have not brought in a canned good, our student council is supporting and hosting a canned good fundraiser of sorts to support families in need over the holidays, bring in your canned goods. It can be a can of chili, it can be a cup of noodles, Simon, but bring it in, hand it in, drop it off at the office, and we will be sure to send it off over the holiday seasons to families in need. All right, my friends, we're going to have a great day. Kumu, if you have a chance, please play that science fair workshop video. It's pretty inspirational, and it reminds me of all of our haumana right now who are engaged in this fabulous hard work science fair project. All right, my friends, have a good week. I'll see you in class.